Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work logs feature in BitSocial. Let's begin. The logs feature in BitSocial allows you to monitor and review all your social media activity. You can check if your posts have been successfully shared and filter the responses for easy management and tracking of your content. On the BitSocial dashboard, you can see that I have already connected 2 accounts, successfully published 3 posts, and currently activated 1 scheduled post. If you have not connected any account and have not published a post, please do so first. Then go to the logs. If your post has not been added or updated in the log after sharing your post, you can refresh your log by clicking the refresh button. You can also filter your logs if needed. You can filter the logs by selecting a start date and an end date for your posts. You can filter the logs by their status. Choose from success, error, or all entries. You can filter the logs based on specific schedules. You can filter the logs by selecting specific platforms from the drop-down menu. You can easily reset your filter by clicking the Reset button. After setting up your filter, click on the Filter button. In the log section, you can view detailed information about your post, including the date and time of publication, the platform used, the associated account, scheduling information, response metrics, and the current status. Click on the Details button to view the response to your post. You can choose the number of logs to display on each page from this menu. If you click on the Visit button, then you will see that the post has been shared on LinkedIn. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.